Good morning, children. Sairam. I hope you all are staying safe at your home. I welcome you again in the computer class. So let's start today's class with chapter number 2, Components of Computer System. In this chapter, we will discuss about these topics: input devices, processing unit, and output devices. First, start with taking input. The process of entering data into the computer is done through various input devices like keyboard and mouse, etc. Now, what is taking input? Taking input, as I told you in the last chapter also, that the raw data given by the user to the computer is known as input. Now, for entering data, we require a device, and that device which we are using for entering data into the computer is known as input device. Next is processing data. To convert the data into information, we perform arithmetic and logical operation on that. Processing data means the conversion of the raw data into meaningful data. That requires a process, and that process is known as processing data. Store data. Store data. To store data, we require devices which can store data permanently. And getting output information is shown on the output device like printer, monitor, etc. Input devices. First, we will discuss about some input devices. As I told you that what is input device which we are using to enter data into the computer. It is basically a link between the user and the computer with the help of which we are entered data into the computer. The input devices also convert the data and information. Now, these are some input devices which we are mainly used for entering data in computer: keyboard, joystick, trackball, graphic tablet, magnetic ink card reader, MICR, barcode reader, mouse, light pen, scanner, microphone, optical character reader, OCR, optical mark reader, OMR. Now we will further discuss about them in detail one by one. First, keyboard. What is keyboard? A keyboard is the most fundamental input device in the computer system. We are using keyboard for entering data and instruction in the computer system. Keyboard keys contains letters, numbers, symbols for the special task such as shift, delete, enter, etc. Keyboard looks similar like a typewriter. Now this is the image of keyboard. You all must know what is keyboard and how it look like. Now earlier keyboard were of two sizes of 84 keys or 101 or 102 keys, but nowadays keyboard having 104 keys or 108 keys. Now we will discuss about mouse. The most popular pointing device. It is a cursor control device having a small palm sized box with round ball at its base. A mouse having two buttons, the left button and the right button, and in between a wheel. The wheel we are using for scrolling up and scrolling down. We use mouse for entering data. A mouse moves on a flat surface only. Got it? Different categories. Different categories of mouse: mechanical mouse, optomechanical mouse, laser mouse, optical mouse, and blue track mouse. Now next one is joystick. Joystick is a pointing device which is used to move cursor position on a monitor screen. Children, joystick is that device which we are using in playing games. For example, a joystick allows us to move the object on games such as navigating a plane in fighting games. Okay, joystick also we are using in computer aided designing. A joystick is similar to mouse. The only difference is that a mouse can stop the cursor as soon as we stop moving the mouse. Next one is light pen. Light pen is a pointing device which works similar to a pen. It is used to select a displayed menu item or draw pictures on the monitor screen. This is the image of light pen. Now the next input device is scanner. Scanner is used when some information is available on the paper and we want to transfer it to the computer for further manipulation. For example, we have an old image and we want to convert that image in the digitized form. Then we will use the scanner. Scanner capture images from the source which are then converted into the digital form that can be stored on disk. This image can be edited before they are printed. Now types of scanner, there are 4 types of scanner: flatbed scanner, sheet fed scanner, handheld scanners, and drum scanners. First one, flat bed scanners. It is also known as desktop scanner and are the most versatile and commonly used scanners. You should know this and please keep this thing in your mind that it is the most versatile and the commonly used scanner. Handheld scanners, it use the same basic technology as a flatbed scanner but rely on the user to move them instead of monitorized well. This type of scanner does not provide good quality, but they are useful for quickly capturing text. Drum scanners. Drum scanners are used by publishing industry to capture detailed image. The use of technology called photo multiplier tube PMT means that the technology which is used in drum scanner is PMT. Advantages of scanner: any image which is digitized by scanner can then be included on electronic document. Specialist scanner can convert old material such as 35 negative into digital file. Disadvantages of scanner: images produced by the scanner can keep up a lot of memory space. It means that the images which are produced by the scanner use a lot of memory space in our computer. Images loses some quality in scanning and digitization. Now that's all for today's class. We will continue this chapter in the next class. Till then, you complete this home assignment having two questions. First one, what do you understand by input device? You have to explain that what do you understand by input device and explain any two input device in short.